Introducing HP Call Me Back, a new service that makes our customer experience simpler, faster, and easier. Now, connecting with HP customer support is as easy as 1, 2, 3, with no more long waiting queues and a guaranteed callback within 10 minutes. In order to request a callback, complete one of the following steps. Simply scan this QR code to go to the HP customer support portal and use your HP login to automatically show all of your registered devices. Tap Call Me Back and describe your issue. Tap Submit and receive a callback within 10 minutes. You can also open a web browser and go to hp.com/callme. Simply identify your product, sign in or create an account, and you'll receive a call on the number you provided. HP Call Me Back is available Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. It is our pleasure to work with you in resolving your product-related issues. Thank you for contacting HP Support. We are always here to help.